All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm Mike Sampson of Hartleys Auto and RV Center right here on Route 13 in Cortland, New York. You can check us out at www.cortlandrv.com for our complete inventory. But for today, we're going to do a walk around of the Sunray 149. This is by Sunset Park RV. This is an excellent couples coach, and we're just going to talk about probably the 5 key features that I find unique and awesome to this camper. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so the 2022 Sunset Park Sunray 149. One of the cool features about this is still a lightweight trailer coming in at only $22.60 unloaded. It's at just over 16 foot at 16.2 wood to tongue. And we have this in the sports package, so you're going to get those big aggressive tires. I believe it's about a 6-inch lift, the roof racks. So you're going to be able to take this bad boy almost anywhere. We got it in this nice turquoise color, which is real pretty. It'll pair nicely with a nice Jeep or something like that. Anything that'll be able to tow it in that nice color. We're going to have a 27 fresh gallon tank, a 28 gray tank, and a 28 black water tank. As you can see along the outside here, we're going to have the dual LP tanks. We also have the turbo jack. So you can take your drill bit with your drill and crank that up and down real fast. On our back side, we'll have our hot water heater, our outside shower, cable hookup. Your 30 amp hookup is back there. This is to the pass-through storage. Open that right up. Good size pass-through storage. You got your drains back here, your freshwater hookup, city water. You do have your spare tire, full-size spare tire. It is prepped to accept a backup camera. You do have your normal storage in the bumper for the black water hose. All right, you do have the heavy-duty steps here. So those aren't going anywhere. And as we go inside, here to our right, we're going to have our kitchen dinette. And that does turn down to a sleeper for another small person. Over here we have our AC, refrigerator. That is two-way, so you can run it off your battery, shore power, or propane. We have a queen bed. Your kitchen is going to have a 2-burner stove. Good size sink, fan light, microwave. Gonna have some more storage here. Some more storage above the bed. And this one does have the wet bath, so you have a shower and bathroom combo all in one. And that is recessed down in, so you got a little tub area. We have this with the dark floors and pine. 2-way stereo system. One thing I forgot to mention is our fridge is a 2.7 cubic refrigerator. We got a couple of these in stock currently. So if this interests you, click the link down below. And like I said, at www.cortlandrv.com. My name is Mike Sampson, and this was the Sunset Parks Sunray 149. Hope to see you soon.